Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Finally doing it.
Getting it ready for paint?
Yes. I'm waiting for parts anyway.
Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
Just soft.
Just keep in mind,
What's the spot?
we didn't straighten the door. We cleaned up the bottom of it. We fixed the rust, so this is not a restoration. All right, so if there's a little wave, or if there's a little it's not a big deal. Drag racing. Then we'll redo the whole body, then it'll be a sheet of glass. Right?
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
How you doing? What are we doing today?
Gonna paint the Pontiac. Never would have thought I'd been saying that. But I am.
Well, keep in mind, this is not a restoration. We're
Might
just
as well be.
making it all one color. It's got all little scratches and dings and stuff, so we're still leaving it. We're gonna still give it that beat up look. Basically putting the car back to the way it should have looked if somebody left it in a garage. Not a garage that
Fell apart.
went on top of it and then rained on it for 30 years, maybe more.
50.
If somebody still kept the car in the garage and kind of gave a crap about it, that's kind of the way we're making it look. The rust is not there, a couple of rust spots, stuff like that, right? What do they call it, patinelle or something? You want it to have patinelle. What's it called? Patinelle.
Now you got to wait.
What's the word?
Patino.
It's got to have patinelle. What is it?
Patino.
Patino. I'm going to leave patino. I hate that word. I got some crackers and we're going to dip it in patino.
Yeah, it's like.
We're going to dip it in patino. You know, that's what it sounds like. I don't like that word.
But we are gonna be doing something very sad. We're getting rid of the letters.
Well, you have to. You can throw some new paint on it. That's all right. We're going to replace it. We're going to have a
Now,
pinstriper come
let
out.
me clear something up here. Okay, these letters are not from the 60s,
You know, they were put on, what, last year?
so it's like a couple months old.
Yeah, why are you putting black paint on this?
I'm painting it black.
No, you're not.
No. See, what happens is only the front left fender and the roof is going to be the aged part of the car.
Well, the surface anyway. Oh, so you want to add some on the side?
I'm going to make it just slightly worn out. You know what I mean?
Okay.
In the common spots that it would happen to. You know what I mean?
Makes sense.
I also made a quarter panel on the side.
Okay.
So really, only from like the door forward is going to be the aged part, and then from the door back is going to be look like new. I don't want that.
You want to kind of stress it out.
You want it aged all around.
All right, go ahead. Hit it.
So,
Hit it.
boom.
What paint are you using on this? What system?
I'm using Sherwin-Williams. Right now I'm doing the black first because that's going to be the hard part to cover.
What kind of clear are you using?
Paint huffer.
Oh, Paint Huffer gave this to you?
Yep.
There you go. He helped you out a lot. He gave you a lot of stuff
A
to
lot
do.
of stuff.
He's a gentleman. How'd you make out, champ? Looks pretty good.
I think it looks damn good.
Well, at least it's one color kind of thing.
Bang! Look at this thing. Pops, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get this head done. Ooh, crackers. I like that word.
Well, you know what I'm doing? I'm putting the crackers on my Pontiac. I have crackers for the front.
Oh,
Huh?
yeah?
Oh.
So what do you got here? Look at this. Oh, yeah.
You know where
Beautiful.
this goes?
Brand new.
You
Brand new.
know where this
What
goes?
are these, 14s?
Yes. You know where these go?
Over there.
You know? I need that. These are your center caps. Look.
Where do you get these?
Summit.
This is from Summit?
Mm-hmm.
Man, let me tell you. You're the best. Oh, yeah. What you get? Non-radials?
Oh yeah. What? Where's the white?
Spice ply?
White walls.
You
You
gonna put
know.
white walls on this? On the front? This thing's gonna look like a Time Warp from 1960.
I wanted to put white walls in the back, but I can't find.
Oh,
tires
yeah, that's all right.
that
Nah,
are-
but they
Yeah,
used to
but
run them both ways.
I can find tires that are that look, but they're not DOT approved.
You gotta have DOTs.
They gotta be
But that's
DOT.
all right. It's gonna look great. Look at this thing, huh?
All right, we're gonna start with putting tire valve in. There you go, tire valve in.
These things are gonna look pretty good. Here, let me help you out. That deal. Hit it. Everybody always hates that.
All right, this is a white wall. Brand new white wall tires always comes with a blue soap that's on top. I guess it's a soap. I'm not really sure what the real term is for that, but you take spray 9. Don't put too much or it won't work. Take a scrub brush. Scrub brush. Take your hose. Okay, your white hose. You take your chamois. Let everything dry. I'm gonna go do the other end. There you go. Now we're actually gonna put the wheels on. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna back up. We're gonna get the whole car, and this is the last time we're gonna see this car with those front wheels on. I'm not the car. Pops, don't come over here. Hey, Pops,
Yo!
check this out.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Wait, don't look. Close your eyes.
Don't look. You want me to come here or not?
With your eyes closed.
Okay.
How's that? All right, ready? And open.
What? Oh, here we
Right.
are. Ah, looks like a 60s drag car.
It does.
You like it, Leroy? Huh? That looks good, man. It looks really good. What, are you wiping all the dirt off?
Sure am.
That came out all right, man. It looks like it's all worn out,
That's what I wanted.
right?
I gave it that patina look. See, look, I sanded through the red to show some black.
Looks like primer, old primer.
Yep. I didn't want to leave it red because the roof is not going to match with the rest of the car.
Right.
Not to mention, if I wanted the roof to match with the rest of the car, I have to restore the whole thing. I don't have much
Oh,
time
forget
for that.
about it. You're never getting on the track if you're doing that.
Exactly.
So basically,
so
you made
I-
it solid, you made it roadworthy, you made it usable, and you made it look cool with what you had to work with
Yeah.
to get it done now.
Right.
Did I get that right?
Right.
And then maybe next year you can redo the whole thing. Or you can leave it. You can leave it the way it is. Looks like something you've been sitting in a garage for 60, 70 years, it looks like.
No, actually, I dug it out of a field. A wet field.
You sure did. I won't forget it.
With nothing around it.
The things that I do for you, my God, this thing needed to get parted out and thrown out. That's what this thing needed. Here it is.
It didn't need it, but that's what was going to happen to it.
I guarantee nobody would have restored it. Only this idiot.
And hey, I got a surprise for you, actually.
You do. You want a surprise right now? Keep your hands right here. I hate that. What's the surprise?
It's a surprise.
Surprise how?
Because I can't tell you.
Something with the car or what? Come on, tell me.
I can't.
You gotta tell me. You gotta
It's
tell
like,
me.
it's like a 5-year-old. Like, if you be good, I'll give you a lollipop later. Like, I want
Anyway, what's
No,
the surprise?
I can't tell you.
Next week beginning?
Friday.
Hey, Friday gonna make me wait? Okay. Whatever.
Yes.
We'll see you next week. We gotta do it together.
All right.
Ready?
No, no.
Take it over the world!
No.
Done deal!
No,
Done
no,
deal!
no,
It's
no.
done!
No.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.